Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a full page screenshot on Motorola Moto E32s. And to do this you will need to open any app that allows you to scroll down. There's also web pages that you can take this sort of screenshot on. Now click on a power key and volume down key at the same time and hold it for 1 second. That way you'll make a screenshot. Press on this button. Now the page should start scrolling down and wait till it reaches bottom. Now when it's ready you can see that we just taken a full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.